Welcome back to my new video. My name is Kamran Ahmad. You are watching Kamran Info. As you know that I'm working in Genpact as a process associate, as well as I'm running YouTube channel for you all regarding Genpact, interview, onboarding, training related videos. Lots of video available on my channel. You can visit my channel. You can check out videos. If you have any doubt, any concern, any query regarding Genpact, regarding my videos, you can feel free connect on my Instagram. I will reply you as soon as possible. And if you are new on my channel, so don't forget like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos. So let's start video and check one by one designation. First designation is process associate as an entry level position in Genpact. In process associate we have two categories: process associate apprenticeship and process associate. What is process associate apprentice? It means if you are a fresher, if you don't have any kind of experience, previous experience, so they will hire you as a process associate apprentice. It means you will not work on company payroll, you will work as a government payroll. You will get each and everything, and salary package will be 13k to 18k per month. You will get incentive apart from your salary. Let's move on. Process associate. If you have 1 year experience, more than 1 year experience, so you will be as a process associate in Genpact. They will hire you as a process associate. Salary package will be 2.3 to 3.4 LPA.